Welcome back, everybody. It's been a while. Just thought I'd do a little quick video, giving you a little update of what's been happening. I got a couple little things done on the trailer today. I've been absent for a little while, a lot of stuff going on. Long story short, diagnosed with kidney cancer in July, middle of July, and got fast-tracked to surgery and had part of my kidney taken out, and everything seems to be good. So I go back in November for a 3-month checkup and CT and everything, just to make sure nothing's come back yet. But it seems like from the pathology report they got everything, so that's good. That's good news. So I was out for a little while for that. It's like I think it was probably a week of not doing much, and then I was pretty sore for probably a couple weeks after that. So that kind of took some time, and then I was on a lifting restriction for, I couldn't lift more than 10 pounds for 4 weeks or 6 weeks or something like that. So literally zero shop stuff got done. And then I think I mentioned in another video, I started a new company. I'm doing remote control car rock crawler chassis now as a sort of side business, and that sort of took off a little bit and is doing pretty good so far. So I've been concentrating on that quite a bit the last probably month and a half or so. So that's been taking up quite a bit of time, but I need to get my trailer built because it's been 3 years. So anyway, let's check it out. So I've got the top trim fitted, and I've got the, just on this side anyway, and then I've got the corner trim fitted on the front edge here too. So that actually didn't go too bad. I didn't have to use any heat on the top one. The top one was pretty easy to, it's like such a gentle bend up there. It's easy to just tape that at the ends, and then you can see I've got a ratchet strap with some, I've V-cut some blocks to put in there to kind of get the strap out and away and put some even pressure on there. So and then I'll probably end up using those blocks on the front when I glue the front part on too. So those are all pretty much fit. I think I got to trim the bottom side of that one, and then once those are fit up, I'll fit the other side, and then I don't know if I'm going to glue them the same time or not. This strap is going to be kind of a pain to line up. I don't know if I want to mess with doing that and glue them both sides at the same time. I think I might just do one side at a time on the top and on the front probably too. So something else, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but it's right about here. I'll see if I can get some reflection on that. You can kind of see I've got a pretty decent bubble in the wall right there. And it's going to bother me if I leave that in there. There's a few other little bubbles here and there that aren't too bad, but that one's like right at eye height on the curbside where everybody walks up to. So I think I'm going to try and fix that. I'm thinking about drilling in from the inside to the outside skin, and not drilling through the outside, and then squirting some epoxy in there, and then using like a chunk of plywood or something and clamping it down to try and get rid of that bubble. I think that'll work. I'm going to try it on a piece of scrap panel first before I go drilling holes in that, and then that way the holes are on the inside and we can put some stickers or do something on the inside to kind of cover that up. I kind of don't want to put any holes in the outside skin. So yeah, that's on the agenda. What else? Aluminum trim. I think after the aluminum trim is done and glued on, I think it's time to order some Raptor liner. I think that's the next big step. Tape the bottom or tape the top off, and then I'm going to spray Raptor. Will go to, I don't know, here-ish. It's just above, it goes just above the fender. So I'm going to grab one of those. I think it's a 4-quart kit off of Amazon to do some Raptor liner on the bottom of it. And then once that's on, then all the doors and windows can go in. I mean, the windows could go in now technically, but I'll just do them all at the same time. So once all the doors and windows are in, then I can temporarily put something in here to kind of mask some wiring and kind of get that buttoned up, this stuff too. And then I want to try and take this thing down and get a title and get it registered and stuff like that, so that I can get that done. And then once I get a title and registration, then I think we can go tow it somewhere and sleep in it. I have to get a mattress and a few things like that, but yeah, just to recap, all the T-molding trim is all on the inside. I made a couple of temporary placeholders for the holes in the bed platform, and then I found some of this kind of indoor-outdoorish, like thin carpet stuff. That's going to get glued across the whole bed platform, and it's going to go across the back wall too. So I'm hoping that's enough. If it's not, I can go grab another one. These were on sale for like 20 bucks, I think. So just got to get some more spray glue, some 3M. I was going to buy 3M spray adhesive, but 3M 90 or whatever it is at Depot when I got that, or Lowe's when I got that carpet, and the guy was like, yeah, we can't get it. We get a case like every couple of months. So apparently there's a shortage on spray glue. I had no idea. So yeah, I might have to order that stuff online and get, 2 or 3 cans of it here to be able to do that. So anyway, just a quick update, guys. Just wanted to let you know I'm still alive and kicking, and progress is slow. It's been non-existent, but it's going to pick back up a little bit here this fall, and going to try and get the trim done and get some other things done on it, and just keep making progress. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.